Topic 1-1, Order of Operations. You may have learned the mnemonic PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. These are the rules of this order of operation. We'll come back to decide which of these equations is correct after we've gone over the rules. So let's look at the rules of operation. You want to make sure that you do these in order, just like stated in the mnemonic. Parentheses first, so you're going to make sure that you look at what's inside of a parentheses. Then you're going to look at the exponents taken to whatever power it may be. Then you will look at multiplication and division before looking at addition and subtraction. Again, remembering that this is something that you will look at from left to right. Both of these operations you're looking at doing this from left to right. Okay, so let's look at number 1. 15 minus 14 times 3 divided by 6. Your first thing to look at doing operation of the 14 times the 3. So this is going to be 15 minus 42 divided by 6. All right, the next thing you're going to look at is the 42 divided by 6, which would be 7, and subtracting that from 15 would give you 8. All right, look at number 2. You've got to be careful when you have a numerator and a denominator with a division. This would be, the fraction makes this a division bar. So you've got to think of that as division. All right, so with using our PEMDAS, you're going to multiply before this addition. So this is going to give you 14 plus 15 divided by 30 minus 29. 30 minus 29 is just 1, so we'll go ahead and put that there. And then 14 plus 15 is 29. So your answer for this one is 29. Okay, now we're looking at number 3. This one has exponents and multiplication, division, subtraction, everything. So let's look at our exponents first. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. 6 to the power of 2 is 36. Go ahead and write in the rest of the equation. And now looking at this separately from what we started, you're going to multiply and divide before you add or subtract. So this gives you 90 minus the 36 divided by 12. Again, here we're going to do the division before subtraction. So this is going to give you 3. And 90 minus 3 is 87. Okay, let's look at number 4. This one has about everything in our PEMDAS. So first we're going to look at what's in parentheses. Parentheses over here is 6. I'm going to leave it in parentheses. Take 3 to the power of 2, which would be 9. The division, we can go ahead and work from left to right. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Alright, don't forget this multiplication there. Alright, we're going to multiply before we do the subtraction. So this would give us 36 minus 36. So this answer happens to be 0. Number 5. Lots of addition and multiplication, subtraction, but no parentheses or exponents. You're going to perform the multiplication first. So looking at 2 times 7, that's 14. Let's go ahead and write it. Plus 5 minus 3 plus, this would be 30, plus 3. Now we're left with just addition and subtraction, so we move from left to right. So 14 plus 5 is 19, minus 3 plus 30 plus 3. I just did one operation at a time. So 19 minus 3 is going to give us 16 plus 30 plus 3. And then 16 plus 30, 46, plus 3. And so the answer to this one, final answer would be 49. Okay, last one. This one has brackets with parentheses. So you're wanting to do the parentheses within the bracket first. So we're going to go ahead and keep this bracket. I can go ahead and, since we're moving from left to right, I can put what this one would be. So this is 16. 2 plus 14 is 16. So let's leave the bracket around this one. Plus 5. And this is 20 minus whatever's in this bracket. All of that is going to be divided by 16 minus 13. So doing what's in the bracket first, you're going to have 20 minus 1 plus 5. 16 minus 13 would give us 3. We're going to do what operation on the numerator first. So 20 minus 1 would be 19 plus 5 divided by 3, which gives us 24 divided by 3. So this answer would be 8. Now try some on your own on order of operation.